And welcome to this brand new video. This video is about PlumeImpactor, which you can use to install iPA files or apps on your devices. It works on all iOS versions, and of course it does not require a jailbreak. PlumeImpactor is completely free and we are at its official GitHub page. So it is a nice alternative to Sideloadly, which requires iTunes. Yes, iTunes is also required by PlumeImpactor, but with PlumeImpactor you do not need to install the iCloud web app, and it also starts up faster. It installs apps faster than Sideloadly, and the good thing is that it is completely open source. It is currently work in progress, so more features will be added. And the good thing is, if you check out the latest release right here, you can see that it is available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. The most important thing to note that this video is for educational and informational purposes, with the only aim to use and review the new PlumeImpactor to install iPA apps which you legally own. Now, to use PlumeImpactor, simply go to the official iTunes website for Apple, and you can simply scroll down and get it for Windows from here. I suggest you not to install it from the Microsoft Store. Instead, get it directly from here. Once iTunes is installed, now just to clear your doubt, you can see that I have only installed iTunes on my PC. The iCloud web app, which was required by Sideloadly, is not installed. Simply go to the latest release and get this Impactor Windows file to your Windows PC. Alright, as you can see it right here, and then simply install it like any other app. Alright, install, and it's ready. Just to be safe, and for this video I will be using UTM app, which you can use to run virtual machines on iOS and Mac OS, and we are at its official GitHub page. It is completely free to use. I will simply scroll down, get the latest release, and simply get the iPA file for UTM from here. As you can see, I already got it. Before you open PlumeImpactor, simply connect your device via USB, and if it asks to trust it, please hit on trust and keep it unlocked. So as you can see, the new PlumeImpactor looks like this, and it will automatically detect your device, as you can see it right here. Now simply go to settings, go to sign in, and simply sign in with your Apple ID. Any Apple ID will work. So I will quickly sign in right now. If your details are correct, you will be signed in. Hit on OK, close it, then hit on the import button. Simply select the iPA file, then hit open. You can now see the name, the identifier, the version, and also you can change these options using these checkboxes if you wish to. And then hit install. Wait for the process to finish. Alright, you can see it says done, and I have the app on my device. Now you can close out of it. One more thing, that whenever you reopen it, it will automatically sign you in or log you in using the Apple ID you previously used. Hit on OK, and you can proceed to use it. Right, on my device you can see that the app is here, the UTM app we installed. Now to open it, go to settings first, go to general, then go all the way down to device management. You will see your ID. Simply trust it. Make sure Wi-Fi is connected while you trust it. Once it is trusted, go back, then scroll down to privacy and security. Scroll down and you will see developer mode. You will only see developer mode after the app is installed. You will have to turn it on only on iOS 16 and later. Simply hit it and then simply turn it on from here. Restart. Alright, you will see ready to enable developer mode. Simply hit on home and then hit enable. If you have a password set, simply enter it here and you will eventually go in. Alright, now you can open it. You can see it will work without issues. That's all for this video. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.